Hi everyone, welcome to the ArcGIS course. So on today's lecture we'll do two things. First of all, we'll extract some part of the province. I will show you how to add the province name to select a specific part if you have a separate shapefile extracted by district and you need to extract all the province or the province within the district names, and then we do the symbology. So if you check my open attribute table, so I have this is the names of the district. So for example, if I need to select this part, I know it is in the south part, and I need to select the other one. So for example, this one Alfau is also in the south part. If I need to select one district by others and then extract them, this take a lot of time. So it's better to create one folder in here. It's called the province. So to collect all the districts that belong to this province. So to do that, first we go for here select by first we're gonna add field. This field I'm gonna name it province. So it's supposed to be text. Okay, the length is 15 is enough for me. Click OK. So we have in here the province name. Now we will go for also from here and go for select by attributes. I'm gonna select all attributes that belong to the south part. So make it like here, you can see. And so I saved the data so it's easy for me to explain, and I saved all the district name. So for example, I'm gonna show you, I have this is ADM2 in English. I have the district name. So we use the ADM2 from here. Just double click with your mouse, and then you have to put in function, and then you have to select all your district name, but don't forget to put the semicolon. This is single semicolon, and you have to put comma between each district. If you give apply, so we can see all my district in here in the south part are highlighted. Since it's highlighted, and then we can go back to the province, and from the province we give him a field calculator. So province equal to, we have to give him the semicolon, and this one equal to, I'm gonna name it Basra. So this is south part. The province is called Basra. So this is all the highlighted is belong to the Basra province. Click OK, and then here we go. So now instead of select like one by one or select all these together, if you need to select, you can go same back to the open attribute table from here. So select by attributes, and now we don't need to select by district, you need to select by province. Double click on this. I'm going to remove this part. Double click on province, and then we need the province like, and then you have to put the single column, single called Basra, same single semicolon, apply. You can see is highlighted all the south part in here, and now you can go for same what we did before, data, export data. This is the output you have to put within the geo database as we talked before. Keep it like this is output number 7, and OK. Do you want to extract? Yes. So we can check now we have the south part. I'm gonna take it here, make it bigger. So if we need to show the names of the district, right click, go for label features, just click on the, and then you have. If you have different, go for properties. If you need to change, you go for label. From label you can just change the font size, the font type and size. Black apply, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Okay, depend on your purpose. And this how we go. I can make it little more small. You can change the color from here. You can put, but if you change the color, you can, like for example, white. You can back them to a blue, whatever. And let's gonna do the symbology. So you can play with your properties, depend on your. In this symbology, in here we have first the feature single model. You can change the color from here. You can change whatever, the same what we did from here. And also we have the categories. Within the categories you can set the value field. For example, we need the value field set depend on the ADM English 2. This is for district name, and add all variables. So this is all my district names within different colors. It is show me some beautiful colors I can choose and give him apply. So you can see we have all our province with different colors, and we can change. If you need to change any one specific color, you can go from here, and for example this one, check it to yellow. You can change it to yellow, and if you need to change any one, you can double check from here and change it to any color you want. You can choose again symbology. You can change the color. You can use categorize. This one, this is color ramp. You can choose color, for example apply if you like, and you can manipulate that with chart. We have charts. You can set the by chart or by column. This is shape length. You can use the shape length to the shape length to choose your symbology. You can choose the color from here, apply, and you can also assign shape. You can check this is the size of the district. This is by shape area for on your map. You can also we have the shape length. You can assign the shape length, give him different colors. You can put from here yellow, for example. We don't need yellow. Give him James Rose. Apply. You can see we have the now we have the shape length and the shape. Do have how much meters we have, and multiply attributes. This one you can manipulate also quantity by categories. um, so this is all you need to know about the symbology. You can manipulate your data based on your purpose. So thank you for your watching, and see you in the next video.